God, broke my rod. Look at that. Ned rig already hung up. It's already one of them days. Goodness. Or one of them evenings, not days, but there. Oh, what in the world is this? There you go. I should never fish this little section of it here. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Oh, he got off. Dang it. Dang. I was kind of shocked. Like, he just hit so lightly. Gum. Oh, dang it. I was like, I got one on there. I felt something that then I noticed my line was running. Like, yeah, I got something. And so I just didn't get the hook set good enough in time. Oh, dang it. Did it again. All right. Gonna go cast with this and call it a different location or got him. Got him. Yes. Woo! Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Big old creek bass. Yeah. God. Look at that guy. Woohoo! Yes. Beautiful bass. Oh, well, he got away. He got in the water. Whoo! You got a good look at it. That was awesome. Yeah. Oh man. Woohoo! Definitely the biggest one of the day, for sure. I didn't bring my scale, so I left it in my bag in the car. I think of this little creek here, and I watched that bass. I watched this wakes it was making as it was coming to it, and I just kind of kept reeling slowly. I just kind of slowed down my reeling, and then just stopped. He picked it up. That was awesome. Keep track of the time. Got a beast somewhere. All right, still got some time here. Talking good about the swim baits, and then there's that one. But here I knew I would come out here and probably just catch, if I was gonna catch a good one, it's probably just gonna be one. Oh hey, look at that little rain shower. Knew it would probably more likely just be one, but in that one pocket, because if there's more than one, I would imagine they'll kind of run off, you know. The other ones are go a little bit further downstream or to a different pocket. Oop. It's so cool to watch this thing in this clear water. The way it moves is pretty awesome. Oh wow, that's a good sized bass. Okay, I just seen the bass over here. He was coming up to check this out. Okay, maybe he wants this. Dang, there's another bass right here. Golly. A little bass on there. Let's have my line sitting in the water there. Got him. Got him. Got him. Woo! Oh, stay down, baby. Don't, stay down. Stay down. Oh, God, broke my rod. Just broke my rod. Look at that. Golly. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Woo. Gosh. That's a beautiful bass. That's a big bass. Golly. I wish I had my scale with me. Oh, woohoo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. And, whew. Well, thank you. Kiss for good luck. Watch her go. Yeah. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, broke my rod. Two different places actually. The tip and here. Oh, so worth it though. Ah, dang. That was a heavy fish. I don't know how big that bass, how heavy that bass was, but that was a heavy bass. Man, I wish I had that scale. That's okay. Either way, scale or not, that was freaking awesome. And end on a good note, a good day. That was awesome. Oh. Well, everybody, I want to end the day on that note. That was pretty awesome. That was amazing. I can't ask for a much better way to end the video than that, end the day on that one. So I hope y'all enjoyed the content. If y'all new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If y'all been enjoying the content, just smash that thumbs up. And hey, I mean, just leave some comments below, leave some ideas, some video ideas that you would like to see, or even some challenges. Just let me know and I'll get those out and uploaded as soon as I can for y'all. And well, I appreciate y'all viewing, and I hope y'all have a great day. Till next time, see y'all later.